some questions from the press if there are any.
Yeah. Salman.
The lady in the red. Salman, आपका अच्छा.
क्या कभी आप चाहेंगे कि आपके ऊपर बुक आए या आप खुद अपनी ऑटोबायोग्राफी लिखना चाहेंगे?
वैसे ये तो नहीं लिख सकेंगे. वैसे ये तो नहीं लिख सकेंगे. कोई और लिखे तो अलग बात है.
सलीम साहब, क्या हम लाइक
रेडी माइक एकदम पास में.
जी. ये शायद कुछ. हाँ जी. हेलो.
हाँ जी, बताइए.
जी.
सर, वो जवाब आप दोबारा दे दीजिए, हमारा कैमरे में रिकॉर्ड नहीं हो पाया.
क्या पूछा है?
क्या सलमान के ऊपर कभी कोई बुक वो चाहेंगे कि कोई लिखे या फिर वो खुद लिखेंगे?
आप लिखिए ना.
मौका मिले तो जरूर.
आप तो वैसे ही इतना लिखती हैं.
I'm from TV channel, so
we will give you all the details. हम आपको बहुत मटेरियल देंगे, आप देखिए.
Whoever is intending to write a book on Salman, he is your resource completely.
सेंसर होना मुश्किल होगी.
और फिर आप अपना भी बना सकती हैं.
You are ready for that? Like आप चाहते हैं आपके ऊपर कोई बुक लिखे? कभी सोचा है? Like सलमान की लाइफ के बारे में हर कोई जानना चाहता है. See, everyone is saying.
And as you can see, he's
How
not
interested. Everyone is in my life.
Okay, any more questions?
I don't think that will be possible. Because मैं बजरंग बली का भक्त हूँ, मैं झूठ नहीं बोलता और उस किताब में बहुत सारे झूठ बोलने पड़ेंगे. तो
Hi Salman. Salman here. Salman here. Tomorrow is a big day for your fans. They have their tickets booked. What about you? Are you planning to go and catch the film at some theaters? Will you be going to Haji Ali? What's your plan for tomorrow?
my plan tomorrow is to chill at home with my family. जितनी मेहनत करनी थी हमको कर चुके हैं. एक दो दिन, we'll relax and then I go back into Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. So I'll just get these 2-3 days off.
सलमान, जैसे आपने कहा कि ये बुक आपकी लास्ट थी जो आपने पढ़ी, पहली बुक कौन सी थी सिलेबस से हटकर जो आपने पढ़ी? याद आता है कुछ?
देखो यार,
पहली बुक पढ़ी ही नहीं थी.
यहीं से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ. उसके फर्स्ट और लास्ट है.
उससे जंप किया था पहली बुक में. सेकंड से शुरू किया था.
इस बजरंगी भाईजान. When are you guys planning to launch the journey from in Pakistan? As soon as we give her the story, she's going to be on it.
Hi, my question is to Kabir Salman. Of course, it's a kids book that we've launched today, and the internet seems to be another tool for learning as far as kids are concerned. We were hearing about this issue called net neutrality. In a sense, the government has now come in support of net neutrality. How do you react to it now?
Yeah, I think it's a very positive development because I don't think the government needs to get into each and every aspect of our lives. I think it's a country that is progressing, developing at a massive pace, and we need to start getting away from regressive thoughts of trying to control what people are saying. I think people are intelligent enough to figure out what's good for them, what's not good for them, and I don't think government stepping into the space of trying to control internet is at all a good development for a country like us.
So do you think it's good news for people?
Of course it is.
Salman? Are you someone who goes on the internet? Of course you tweet compulsively.
Yeah, but as long as you're going with your real identity, I think it's okay. I mean, we've been given this liberty of using a false identity, to aankhon ki sharam. Father ke samne, thoda sa liberty le sakte hain. Parents at an early age should not find out, so you go on a different name. But to take it to another level, you need to have, control over your language. Especially when, all these kids also will be on the same platform. So when they follow us, they're exposed to all this kind of rubbish. So I think that checking should be there. And if you really want to voice your opinion, then I think you should own that opinion. You know, you should be responsible for it.
Absolutely. I think when the whole concept of freedom of expression came in, I think they meant you need to be responsible for what you're saying. You can't hide behind, you know, fictitious names and then have freedom of expression. That's not freedom of expression, that's abuse of expression. And that happens a lot on the internet, unfortunately.